Ever wondered how to set up your MetaQuest 3? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of virtual reality, focusing on the importance of correctly setting up your device for the ultimate VR experience. Stay tuned as we guide you through the process step by step. The first step begins with unboxing your MetaQuest 3. As you open the box, you're greeted with the sleek and futuristic MetaQuest 3 headset. Alongside it, you'll find two precision controllers designed for immersive gameplay. Don't miss the charging cable and power adapter, essential for keeping your virtual adventures alive. Also included is a glasses spacer, ensuring a comfortable fit for all users. Now that you've unboxed your MetaQuest 3, let's move on to the next step. The next step involves installing the MetaQuest app on your smartphone. Let's move through this process together. First, head over to your smartphone's application store, be it Google Play for Android users or the App Store for those on iOS. Search for MetaQuest in the search bar. You'll likely see a few results, but what you want is the application called MetaQuest. Once found, tap on Install or Get. It might take a few moments, so be patient. Once the app is installed, open it up, and you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Follow the prompts to set up your account. With the MetaQuest app installed, you're one step closer to diving into the world of virtual reality. Now, it's time to pair your MetaQuest 3 with your smartphone. The process is a breeze. First, ensure your MetaQuest 3 and smartphone are turned on and in close proximity. On your smartphone, open the MetaQuest app you just installed. Tap Pair New Headset. You'll see a list of available devices. Select MetaQuest 3 from the list. A pairing request will pop up asking for confirmation. Tap Pair to confirm. You should see a confirmation message on both your smartphone and MetaQuest 3. This indicates a successful pairing. If you don't see this message, repeat the process until successful. Congratulations! Your MetaQuest 3 is now paired with your smartphone. You're one step closer to diving into the world of virtual reality. The final step is adjusting your settings for the best VR experience. Let's start with the Device tab. Here you can adjust brightness, volume, and sleep settings. Next, navigate to See All and select Device Settings. This is where you adjust your Guardian, tracking, and hand settings. Lastly, don't forget the Experimental Features tab for some added customization. Each adjustment enhances your comfort and visual clarity, and there you have it. Your MetaQuest 3 is ready for use. So to recap, we've unboxed the MetaQuest 3, installed the app, paired the device, and fine-tuned our settings. Each step a critical part of the setup process. Now you're all set to explore the endless possibilities of your MetaQuest 3. Enjoy your journey into virtual reality.